I welcome to all of you in this new video. Friends, today I'm going to share Spray One water gun reviews with you. Friends, let me tell you that this is not our website, so if you have never ordered anything from this website, then this video will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I will share the way to get your money back. So let's get started. Spray One Water Gun is an online community of shoppers in many countries like Canada, United States, United Kingdom and Australia. This is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that the products available are Spray One bottle pack for multiplayers, Spray One dual set for team players, and Spray One for single player with spray glasses blue. Now let's talk about other information related to payments. So customers can pay through PayPal, MasterCard, Visa, Amex, so forth and Klarna. Let's check the shipping information now. So here we can see that they offer free shipping on orders over €100 in many countries such as USA and Europe. But if the order value is below €100, then they charge shipping fee which varies from country to country and shipping time is not specified. Before going further, friends, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Now let's talk about those important points which will help us in deciding the legitimacy of the website. So guys, Spray One water gun have SSL certification and is protected through HTTPS protocol. Therefore, the information you send or get through the site is safe, which is a good sign. And talking about the registration date of the domain name, so it was created on 23rd October 2017. Now let's take a look at About Us section. So we can see that there is no About Us section available here. Now let's check the way to contact them. So in the refund policy link we found an email ID to contact the customer executives, which is hello@sprayone.com, or you can call at 498968979558 from 9 am to 6 pm. Addition to this, company's address is provided. Now let's take a look on return policies. If you have a problem, you can watch this video which will help you in solving your issues. But still, if your query is unanswered in the video provided, you can click on the Continue tab. And fill the contact form to return your product. Friends, if you have any queries regarding return refund, mention us in the comment section below. And talking about the Spray One water gun reviews, guys, so there is no customer review section available on the official page, but on Instagram and Facebook lots of positive Spray One water gun reviews are available with 7,500 likes. So in the final conclusion, I would like to inform our viewers that Spray One water gun is a legit website with many positive customer reviews on Facebook, Instagram and on YouTube. Additional to it, the website is available from past many years. However, if you have ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below. You can also comment below to report about any kinds of scam. After all, we are here to spread awareness about these scams. So let's do it together. Let's save innocent people from scams. And if you have any money related problem, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Friends, I request you to please like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon because this will boost our spread to make more such informative videos. Thank you guys. Stay safe, stay informed.